Okay, so welcome back. Sorry I wasn't here Tuesday to celebrate the win over the Rams. Right? The Rams. No? All right. Well, anyways, so make sure you wrote down holiday Monday, sub Tuesday, PSAT Wednesday, all that good stuff. Now, last week we talked about how to tell if these are linear, quadratic, or exponential. What should I do on the side of this table here? Subtract. So let's subtract here. Whenever you do subtract, it's bottom minus top, bottom minus top. Okay, so negative 25 minus negative 36 is a positive 11. Okay, negative 16 minus a negative 25 is a 9. Negative 9 minus negative 16 is 7. Negative 4 minus negative 9 is 5. Now, the first subtraction is not the same, so that means it's not what? It's not linear, right? Linear, the first differences would be the same, right? So this is not linear, so we're not going to do menu 413, okay? What do we do after we do that? What's the next step? Okay, we're going to subtract again with those new numbers, right? So let's do another subtraction. Okay, so 9 minus 11, negative 2. 7 minus 9, negative 2. 5 minus 7, negative 2. Hey, this time they're all the same. So that means it's what? Is it exponential or quadratic? Second difference is quadratic, okay? When is it exponential? What would we have to do? Divide, okay? When you divide, and those are the same, that's exponential. But this is quadratic. What do you press in your calculator to get a quadratic regression? You type it into spreadsheet, you do menu 41 what? 6, okay? So let's do that real quick and we'll get our little equation here. So we go to new document, don't save, number 4 at the top, x and y. And then we just type this in real quick. Negative 36. Okay, I type it all in. I hit menu 416. X is x, y is y. Now, when you do that, it's going to give you three numbers, A, B, and C. Okay, so if A is negative 1, B is 14, C is negative 9. Well, let's write this equation out. So I'm going to start with y equals, my A value is negative 1x, and then x squared goes next to it, so I'm going to put negative x squared. Okay, and then plus, my B value is 14, so plus 14x. And then my C value is negative 49, so you can either add negative 49 or just put minus 49. All right, but there's my equation. You should be able to take a table, figure out what it is, do the regression. You got to do the correct combination. So again, linear is 413. Linear is 413, quadratic is 416, and then exponential is menu 41A. Okay, we had an assignment on this, mixed assignment on this last week that you should have turned in. Okay, you'll notice that you want to turn in all quadratic assignments from last week, even though we just finished up the first 9 weeks, last week's stuff is rolling into the second 9 weeks now. Okay, it's pretty much it. So we have a quiz on the schedule for Friday, tomorrow. I would have told you on Tuesday, but it wasn't here. So anyways, what we're going to do today, I'm going to give you a little review for your quiz. It's basically all that we've been doing in one page, okay? As usual, over here on the walls, I have the answer sheet. Okay, you could try it on your own first, check your answers, but it's also posted on Google Classroom. I did record a video of me doing it, but for some reason, if you look at the video, it's just green. That's it. I don't know why. So I turn into Shrek. No kidding. But it's just green, like a green screen. So I don't know why that is. You can at least hear me explain it, but you can't really see it. But anyways, the answers are on the keys. If you have questions, please ask. Okay, because you have to be able to do all this stuff. So let me tell you what you got to do. Domain and range. Okay. Key features like which way is it opening, what's the vertex, axis of symmetry, x and y intercepts. By the way, I put axis of symmetry on here twice, so you can cross out one of them. And then number 5 and 6 is doing what we did on the warm-up. So shouldn't be, it's nothing's new. Okay, stuff we've done last week. All right, I'm going to pass that out, work on that, turn in any old work too. When you finish the review, keep it, bring it tomorrow. Quiz tomorrow. Cool. All right, here we go.